Good morning, everybody. Tom Mifflin, Premier Cleaning Solutions. We were at the shop this morning, just getting some things ready, our daily schedule. I'm going to give you a quick tour. There's a front door. Just going to jump on here real quick, give you a tour. There's our truck of kind of like what our shop is and what we do and, all that fun stuff. So here is our trailer. Pressure washing trailer, roof cleaning, window cleaning. This is our morning meeting table. Right now it's got postcards on it set to go out, but this is where we kind of sit and talk, have some breakfast sometimes, and just chat about the day, jobs that are going on. This is our front door area. We have a org chart put up, kind of see where we're at, where we're going. Let the guys know there's room to grow in this business. This here is my office. Just real quick, see if you can see it. This is where we do all the estimates and planning, and we got our computer screens. Just your basic office. Pretty cool though. I like it. Let's see if this is working out. Bathroom area, Christmas light storage up here. Some more storage back there. Window cleaning gear back that way. And then we also have two offices upstairs. There and there. And then another office going to be back in there. That's where our production manager will be, and you guys know him, Brian. He will transition into the production manager over the rest of this year and into next year. And as we go to 2 and 3 crews, his job will become very important, and he'll be very busy. But he's excited for it. We're excited to grow. Ian will grow into a lead tech position, so that's cool. There's some equipment we got to go on the box truck still, hot box, another pressure washer. But yeah, guys, this is it. We love the shop. Our landlord, Rick, is great. We love him. He's a great landlord. He gives us whatever we need, and we're just blessed to have him as a landlord. Yeah, really no point to this video. Just wanted to jump on here, kind of share what we got going on. Morning in the life of PCS. The guys will be here soon, and I'm about to go get some breakfast for everybody, and then we'll be on our way. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.